Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily disconnect your Monopoly Go account from your Facebook account. Now it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. The first thing that you want to do is open up your preferred browser, head down to facebook.com and sign into your Facebook account which you want to disconnect. Now from there we go to the top right corner where our profile appears. Simply open up the settings and go to the settings and privacy. Now from there we open up the settings once more and it hops into our settings of the account. Now from there we use the menu to the left and we scroll down till we find the activity and permissions right here. Now simply open up the apps and websites, and as you can see here we have all the connected services to our account. Now scroll down till you find the Monopoly Go tab and go to View and Edit. Now from there we simply press remove again, and now Monopoly Go has been deleted from our Facebook account and both are not connected anymore. It's easy as that. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. It helps me out a lot, and thank you for watching.